buying a second home help you retire earlier, or with more freedom? The answer might surprise you. In Sarasota. Hi, I'm Darren Dowling with Beyond Realty. Let's explore how second homes could be a powerful piece for your retirement plan. With today's financial uncertainty, many people are looking beyond traditional savings. A second home can do the following: build wealth as it appreciates over time, generate income through rentals, diversify assets beyond stocks and bonds, provide a future residence for retirement. Most second homeowners aren't big investors. 85% own just 1 to 5 properties. Why now could be the time? With more homes for sale, price cuts, and slower moving inventory, buyers currently have more leverage than in recent years. Here's some tips to get started. Partner with a local real estate agent, connect with a lender who specializes in second homes, choose a property with strong appreciation or rental potential. If you've ever wondered if a second home could work for you, let's run the numbers and explore the options in the Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Longboat Key, and Siesta Key areas.